Hi friend, this is the program to find factor of the number. Factor of the number is a number which is completely divisible by a given number and remainder should be 0. First we write the main method, then define the variable which is used during writing this program int number. Then here we want input given by the user, so we use a scanner object sc new scanner system dot in. Then this line of code we give the input of the user, enter any number, then what number user is entered, this line of code defined sc dot next integer. Then we use for loop for define the range of the number from I is equal to 1 to up to number that is entered by the user number. Then use if statement, if number divided by I is equals 0, then print that number in the form of format. Module t comma I. Save the program and run the program. Enter any number like 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. That's it.